Hello, my brothers and sisters. I greet all of una. I greet una from Untouchable Mama. You get wetin I want to talk today about this boy wey say that they call am Murphy. Murphy, I don't even know where you say you for come. You say your mama na Igbo, your papa na Benin. You don't be Benin. You don't be Benin at all. You don't be Benin. You dey cause Benin people. Wetin Benin people do? You people, una wey grow for Benin. Una come dey claim Benin. One don reach here, Benin don do una well. Una dey cause Benin. Wetin people wey dey go work? Wetin dey do now? Wetin dey do now? First of all, you no dey responsible. Man wey dey responsible. If you wan talk wetin woman get for that, he go put respect. He get as he go take talk am. Don't be the one where you just dey talk anyhow. They even know say na Eddie Murphy na be your friend, maybe na your brother. Na he send you come. You know yes say Eddie Murphy say I be talk. I no come talk again. Now you want come start am. Now you want come start am to dey cause Benin people. Nu wen vie do ya fefefe no na mi wa de. Un vie do ogbu wa. Wetin dey worry una? Na no get wetin anything one and one talk. Una no go rest. They ask una. They tell una no na give their advice. Una even get advice one and one give. Una no get. Una just get up. Una dey cause Benin people. Because you grow for Benin. Why you not talk for Igbo people? You say your man na Igbo. Why you not talk about Igbo people? Ni vie do na gbuwa ben waya zivie do kpokpo. No be only una wey be Nigeria na dey for Facebook. Wetin Benin people, wetin they do una? Wetin Benin people, wetin they do una? May God punish all of una so they cause Benin people. Mean I be Benin, my pa na Benin, my man na Benin. Eddie Murphy, or si ame no gba do. Eddie Murphy ona hin bana azemu ejiwe. Ona hin bana azemu ejiwe. Wo si e ni vie hon, ni na tie bo ni vie do. Wo si e ni vie hon, yen iwa pa gbe, yen iwa ri, yen eko ivun yan gbe. Yen fi pe yen fi ge gwa. Bwene Eddie Murphy no vi da osa wo si e. De ou we no si e, we no ju we ya bie we ni do we no si e. O en yo vie hon ade no do atie bo ni vie do. Edo na dege okpodo igbe kwoma, oriri igbe kwoma. Ona ikin vie hon ni ya pupa kon Facebook Eddie Murphy. Gugwa evania wa we salobo giware, na salobo o salobo no giware wo. O salobo aga yin mi gugwa o giware. We no wa do avese mama na gbon wa hin no avese va. Wa ha avese mo wa o no wa atie bo ni ya. Owu se no so kwo ya gbigbi ya ge o ga so pi ai ba wo lo wo zere we. One wa advice someone wa tie bono ho. O ho ga ban one tie bono ya no he. O ma no ho mu e bogbe. E mi esere. When wa ya robi ho. When wa ya tie bonia. If you want to advise people, don't cause them. No, don't mean no they cause them. Eh? Owe emi osie mi. Huh? Emi osie mi ni viere na win na ni. Huh? You people should advise them, not to be causing them. You will just be like biani no ruwe ni. No ye na omo na ya zizo bomufua. You will just there for inside when you say your man na Igbo. Igbo people, they not they do the work. May God punish that your mouth. No soon when this is they vex me. I they listen to all this una rubbish one that they do. Huh? If you not talk finish, the other one why you talk. He say he go bring where did they call where say be Murphy. He go send money go may our Abba may you come here I tell you. You know the fear Huh? You know the fear May God punish that your mouth wait till they talk to our palace. Na edi na ikosan edi dausa oni on wasie when edi normal money ka mo wi ohana no ye na gbo bia na we no lawadia do wa ha advice someone mo na advise people don't cause anybody, nobody be una mate they do the work, they use your body to do one abi they use your mama body to do one they use your sister and brother body to do one. You advise people, don't cause it, don't mean or not the cause them Edina waju ona waji bia don ya hie ita hu edi no mama no we your bi da sa o di bia do mu ya gweze o bi ego no mama no nwa le do o be ladin o me minu no be ya gwan we Benin people nwe Benin people na gbo wa gbon no wa tubu o gwa ehwe mu wa we dem wa hiyan ni re Nigeria dinya behave no ya behave na inya ni re Nigeria anya we travel is a part of education. Oh, wa illiterate or illiterate or wahinuwa. Di no way no win your no one or 52 years or 53 years. Ogozu no ro we yahin. Ogozu una mu wie do we una mu ya boto gweze o wie ho no bezunu no ze done o ga ile ladian me nu no ya gwie do gun egene da ha gwie do gun ka yo boto lohun na rije na nya yitu asenya wie do ba mu we di Mami ukpa biani no winyati e mofini ma wege ni we na ladian we wo salobo age we re no do happy eriebo we eri wonu ya happy nya wonu ati ebonia ono na no zuwa na no be winye be ke gemni wa ege ni wa eva e gemni wa eva kede no be zuwa no ruwa nia oni we gemni nye kebere o salobo ha mi ye we ni ye do we ma hati happy gbu we for you don't help yourself you mofi where you say na God send you come you don't help yourself sit down, may you look as person be, whether na so you be. May you sit down, you go look at whether as other people be, na so you be. If you want to advise people, advise them. Don't cause them. They are not your mates. They are not your mates. What did they bring all this nonsense? Una not get what una want they do now because of the money where they pay una for Germany. Now make una they misbehave. Why you there for why lads? Why do I tell Benin people? Benin people. No way Benin people na gbonu wa ya tie gbonu wa ya mu masikoto. Nwi ye do ya fe no hire we bona. O ka ndo wa mu ye do gboto na. Gbonu wa ya fi gbe palace ogima. Wa ya sai wa mi o. Wa ya ma hasa. Agani me na nwa debe digani. Mi aha ana ha tene gua. Awe eta ikpeke o ya tase gua. Oni ya mu ma digani. Na iwa jena. Wa iwa ri la egbe ku ane. Wa gwalem no wa ha tarudu wa gize do kere. O wo vijinye ovi gbo. Erinye ovi edo. Wa aju we bie ho emi mofi. Wa tuwu. Iwa bo la we gbe ba gbon. Wait that your mark wey dey insult Benin people. Fear no, you know even the fear. Because the Murphy carry you for back. You hear said the Murphy say, I fair talk, but I not gonna talk again. Make them they do the work. I not say make them not they do the work again. Now you want come stop. Now you want come stop her. You now you want come stop her. Now so you go tell advise them make them stop her. If you want stop her, if you want advise person, even though say na small pikin, you not get right where you go tell they cause them. You not get right. You not get right at all. Even though say na baby of 5 years, you go give am that respect because you na not get respect. June Murphy, if you don't ever eat woman where they abroad 1 euro, not let the cost for you. If they cost for you, not say as you be like Okpo Biani. You not go better for your life again. I dey tell you the truth. No let women, those girls where they do that work. No let them use that the way they get for them, make they take cost you. If they use and take cost, you not go better for life. Because we're who again. You will just finish your life. You see how the muffin now, his head not correct. You see, sometimes he go come the mad. Sometimes he go day normal. Not be normal thing. Because the mad way they curse women, they abuse women, what they get for under. Now that's what they get for under. Now then you pass come out. Before you talk to women, before you curse women, first they think before you go talk what you want talk. If you want advise them. Not curse them. What if that time when you they talk say ashawo, prostitution, this one, retire. Now God go fire that your mouth where they talk. Thunder now go fire you. Thunder now go fire you. Wait till they see, wait till make them go they do that thing. You go fit do one. If you see and you not go see your head carry come out. You not go see your head carry come out. May God baptize you. May God baptize all of you. You know why I'm moving your dog bottle. Now devil not be God. Now devil now go baptize you now. Because una not even get respect. Let's not get respect. Una go come out. Una come there talk to people normal talk. Before you go say wetin man get for down, wetin woman get for down. Before you go say make you talk and come out. You get a person wey dey responsible till they talk am. You go say that thing. You go understand wetin they talk. You go just put your mouth boy. Now so the mouth is still they do am because now your father. Who want munu wey just boy? You know even they be say you know they responsible. You be I know any trait even better pass you. Any trait better pass you. May thunder fire all of una till they breathe Bini go down. And as soon as they accuse Bini for Facebook, A to Z, even though you be man or you be woman, now only God's fire now go fire all of una. Because not be only Bini now they this abroad. No be only them. Other people they where they misbehave for this country. Their country people never come out, make they call the Niado Afia go, make they call the shout for them. They never come out. Why be say una way grow for Bini? Those una way grow for Bini because only going working. Una way grow for Bini because una they speak small Bini. You can't turn and say you be Bini. Make another Bini may they for not for the insult you. You go call the insult Bini. You say if father na from Bini, imama na Igbo. May you go ask na Igbo. I don't want me to curse any tribe at all. Me I not just curse any tribe because you where you say wait here the most enough you do now you want come do one. I go see as you want come do one. I go see as you want come do one. You will say that they call Mofi. Make a nuke Mofire. Whatever the thing they vex me, my brothers and sisters. All these things it is getting too much. If they talk with that nonsense where they talk, they will call they put our palace to join now. And what all bet here about Enika or Guina? What did they bring all that nonsense for now? Why you make Bekuane? Even in Yan, you know what I'm very. Now call they talk nonsense for Facebook. Now call they accuse Bini. Now call they cause Bini. Now that one they pay me pass. Now only Bini they say they do something for. Then they do the work for you. If you reach Germany, if you reach what is they call Holland, Belgium, Italy, Spain, another tribe they're not there where they do one. And we are doing the thing they vex me anyhow. If you read this side, they will say Bini. If you read the other side, they will say Bini. What did they bring on this thing? Eddie Daosa. Eddie. Or to no menene the Facebook unania mwela wa because then you why jege ni ehere abi kwogima ehere ya kawari ebai o wak makaba fo wa ha advice oma why could they set your advice oma se because wa ma nagbon wa ma nagbon because before you say you want advice person you first look yourself you first look A to Z you first look your head go reach to whether you feel advice person. Una say na want advise people. Una not be better person. Go look their background. Oh, we are sono. See this say way want advise person. If say na stop something. Or get to there. No. Why they na look what biana no winyati mofi winyati wege nya eva mofi. adaze ogba hia owo bi ya lelegbe hia edi mofi take be mofi na owo bi hia e lelegbe hia. Which kind nonsense be all this one? And when here, no one know the leprosy they hear word. If you reach YouTube, I just enter YouTube. What did they make me the verse this morning? I just enter YouTube. See this what he said that they call now mafia. See they curse women. When you forget saying a woman I born you. You can't forget saying a woman I put you for this life. You go feel swear say you never eat woman. You never eat those girls where they work. You never eat them. That one arrow they never shoot. If they don't dash you, now sickness now be for your body. Now me they tell you so. Well, that matter they insult them. Now sickness now go be for your body. You with a demorphin. Unless you they never dash you, now they never eat their money when they take work that work. They never give una for hand. What did they make una they call the prostitute? They know what they work when they do. You know if you get, you know me someone I can't they remember them the work when they do. With time, with God, everything go there possible. I mean you think say person just eat, if they let you fool, you go say you want go they do what they do. Like say our country good, you think say all these people, all these guys where they work for here, them for they do, not be country where not good, not be only that one said. If you are abroad, Oyibo, they full land, they work for everywhere. Now only Nigeria there for this Facebook. Now only Benin people there. Now yerig ma ya muwa bagbon. Yerig ma ya muwa. Ame ma dan no ya wo we wa no ye go no mama wa ma ye no wa kere no even no be na fokon. Because una just grow for Benin, una say una be Benin. Yerig ma ya gbo wa bagbon. The thing they vex me and I just they insult women, they insult them, they call them different names. What will be your problem? Now that one be the advice where you want give them. Even though say you want even give the advice. And now that one be the advice where you want give them. Have you never see person where they go road walk? If you advise some, it go change. You go say this thing, the way you they touch me. I mean, if you think say if you they cause them, and that one I go make them come up for them. You think say that because of say if you cause them, they'll come out. You are born now, like backbone. You are born fear kun le luwa. Wa yon ba wa ze mwenjiwe. Ohu ogbina yo te doni ohu. Ohu wa ido afi lupegbe. Ohu ga tie bonu wife woman cosuna. He naked, he really cost for una head. Una go here when. You wait till that they call Mofi. If you ever don't go sleep for woman house, woman don't you with woman don't do that thing, You want me they curse you? You not say as you be, If they push small curse join that one, you just go finish for 6 feet. What did they worry you? What did they worry you? Now the more tell you something, you continue waiting for stop. If the more tell you something, continue waiting for stop. Say now they wish you bad, they wish you death. And the nothing no me leg by for. The thing they vex me anyhow. I will be going no man, you do I get by title. On the like all this thing, Mona change all this on a bad character wanna get for Facebook. Una not see anything do. Mona carry on a children, if get children, Mona go they carry they play for where they play. If you not get what you now why do, say Mona sit down for them. Mona they sing, Mona put music. Don't talk about other people, their life. If you want to advise them, Mona they talk wetin they good come out for mouth. Not that they abuse people. Because they go say Bini, when Bini go wagbon why soon we den we rowa. Why could do the yohere? I don't know what they worry all this people where not even get head. They not getting. di mofi da osa di mofi da osa igba ati ewe o 20 ni ati e mofi ni kama no lawa di make sure nu ya we video kami bi ehun we ni e ga fi lu pe di egwa di da osa kami bi ehun ni do ni edo kami ya we ni e ga fi lu pe di egwa mo si e we nu dana o si e ana mi ewu bi ehun ni no nwa re do iyan ti e bo ni edo wa mi ona na we bini ye kele e de ri edo who don wa re ba ni yan edo agbe no we yen se nu wa we se na fi ziga gbo wa ye gbo ma gbon now this small thing I just still say me I talk because the thing dey vex me anyhow dey vex me why una go dey una just carry bini una just use that do una slippers when una dey wear now use Benin people turn to slippers one they put on her leg. Now only Benin they abroad. Now only Benin they abroad. More na two of una one say they call una self mofi. More una sit down, more una look whether una fear advice person because una no fear advice anybody. Una no fear advice because una never ever advice una self finish. Talk like so na one advice another person. Mona go bath. You waste small when be Bobby and wait there for inside. So we be rat. The other one we say that they call her Murphy Uji. I don't know what it be say Sunday. Because anybody can give it. You know, she say put a near door, not the money bay. Or we jin of Igbo. Of Yedo. They can now Yedo. Who worry about una like Benin, but una they put una they do one mona draw them the need that Benin una they one mona they draw them down. Where Hoviedo, where we know wajeni. Where the Hoviedo, ma Hoviedo, Ovie akbedo by Cairo wegbe. Useless people wait there for Facebook. Just enter us. If you want advise people, advise them. If you don't want advise them, don't curse anybody. When you wear be where me, but shock or no mama, no we do go. A little thing I just get me where I say me I still talk to my brothers and sisters then. From untouchable mama, one love my brothers and sisters. The thing verse me, I know they too much they verse. But this thing won't come too much. It won't come too much. Not be only Bini there. Bini here, Bini there. They will just a cousin. Man, wait, they responsible. You not go feed the talk with woman get for dining her. They respect her. They respect her. You now you for no say, the more no respect. You know, they na very. That's how take illiterate even good person because you get woman. If you want to talk with woman, get for don't work no jog boza. Who ya en woman they responsible. I je who am with be am with you raha. And then Nataladia will know her. You are not responsible. Now so the other brother still be this one way say that they call her Murphy. If you want to tell woman, okay, if you want to tell your wife, say me wanna go do something. Now so you other talk and say, well, where one go me see me now need you way. Useless people we I was a month one am here mama abi be chile no mama wa ku di de yo here wa boy fear kun le lo wa gbon little to now girl me I can't take una na just close that to now dirty mouth if I hear so na talk our palace again why to wa gbon from untouchable mama remain blessed bye bye.